Hi everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to change language in Facebook. So first of all, you open your Facebook application. Once you open the Facebook application, you tap on the menu icon, that is the hamburger icon, or tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. From there you tap on setting and privacy at the bottom. Tap that. Tap on settings. Inside setting and privacy, you scroll down to the preference and inside there you tap on language and region. Tap that. Now here are the few options how you want to change your language. Language for button, titles or other text from Facebook. Language you'd like to have post translated into. Language you do not want to be offered translation for. Language you don't want automatically translated. And at the end, a feature that lets you post multiple language version of a status. So from here you can make changes to these options. If you just tap on this option, you will be able to make changes to the language and choose the language that you want for your Facebook. So this is how you can change language on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.